goldfries. This is the Silverstone SUGO SG13. Now it's an old casing, it has many revisions. This one is a white colored variant with a mesh front with diamond-like patterns. So yes, it's a old casing, many models, retails at US 60, and it's always a choice for many, especially when you're going for the compact form factor. Now in this video, I'll be showing you my build process of how I fit these affordable components into the SG13. After all, it's a compact casing. A build video would be helpful for you to appreciate what it can contain. Without further ado, let's have a look at the build. For this build, I'm using an AMD Ryzen 3 3100 and an ASRock B450 Gaming ITX AC motherboard. The graphics card is a ZOTAC GTX 1660 twin fan model. I used 2 sticks of Klevv Bolt X3200MHz CL16, totaling up to 16 gigs of memory capacity and a 512GB XPG SX6000 Lite for storage. Lastly, the system is powered by an FSP Hydro K 500W power supply. Yep, it fits a full-size power supply. The build starts with having the M.2 SSD installed at the underside of the motherboard. After that, it's a matter of getting the processor into place and securing the stock cooler. I also got the RAM sticks installed before moving the package into the casing. Before proceeding with the motherboard installation, the drive cage has to be removed, as the full-size power supply can't be mounted if it's not removed. After that, in goes the I/O panel with the motherboard in place and with the rest of the cables attached. The power supply is now in place with cables bundled up and stashed towards the front. The last component to enter the system is the graphics card. With that in place, the build is now done, so we might as well have a look at the performance from a setup like this. I know many of you play Genshin Impact. The system handles Genshin Impact at 1080p with full detail at 60 frames per second with no problem at all. You could even go 1440p with ease with this setup. Speaking of 60 frames per second, the system is also able to deliver on AAA titles like Assassin's Creed Odyssey at high settings, Horizon Zero Dawn at favored quality settings, and even Shadow of the Tomb Raider at highest settings. For competitive gaming titles, Apex Legends does 144 FPS just fine with some drops here and there depending on the area of the map. Valorant, on the other hand, works like CSGO, only more colorful and not as crazy in the FPS department. Definitely you can stay above 144 all the time. Alright, so we come to the end of this video. The Silverstone SUGO SG13 definitely stood the test of time and I'm giving it a gold badge. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Do remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Bye bye.